All right, so we're going to do some videos on how to create interesting words in different shapes. So let's take different words, and all we're going to do is we're going to fit them in the space we got. And so one, you could just write it, and if you run out of space, you can add a little bit, or you can try to divide it into the right number of letters. So if I have 5 letters, for instance, I could divide this into 5 places, and each letter would have to fit into there. So if I wrote the word there, it would have to be like this. You could also wing it, and if you run out of space, you just add a little bit more, okay? And then you erase the box, and you can start working on the letters themselves to make them interesting. Maybe the T looks like so, all right? So, or you could say, you could just get it out again. Now, if our shape goes like this, the top of our letters can also go like this, and the bottom of our letters matches the bottom. And you can imagine that the middle of the letter is going to be halfway in between. All right? They can get smaller and then bigger again. And we'll add an S to make that interesting. Now, also, so if you wanted to, you could make them normal shapes and they still fit in the size box, as if you were trying to ship a pair of shoes or something. Obviously the box doesn't squish the shoes, so you could have it that way as well. So these are all different examples of how you can change the shapes of your words to fit in to something. You could also have it so it was something that actually changed shape because of what it was attached to. So let's say it was here and we were starting to fall. Poof, into dust, right? So have the idea that you can make your shapes around different things and that they can become a shape that represents the idea you are trying to get across.